Hello guys, welcome once again to the video Cash for Wealth Plus. Here in Cash for Wealth, we show you many ways you could earn cryptocurrency and make money for yourself. Right away, I'm going to show you one of my favorite platform with which I have been withdrawing Tron for over 2 months now, and it's a legit site, and I'd like you to get into it right away. I withdraw, I've been withdrawing on a daily basis 4.2 Tron TRX, every day. And it's a site that I'll recommend to you. And I want to encourage you to, go into it now. But before then, I'd like you to know that Cash for Wealth Plus is not a financial advisor. Please, you can always ensure you do your due diligence before you invest in any of our recommended, platforms we bring to you. So, and ensure you only invest the money you can afford to lose. So, having said all that, I'll just show you quickly my withdrawal that I've been doing daily for over 2 months now, and with just a minimal investment, that was done. Right here now, you could see right here, these are the cryptos are mined. That is the Tron TRX I always mined. And right here, you would, to make withdrawals, I just go to mine, and then I click on withdraw here. As you can see right here now, you can see that over here, if you look at it, you will discover that I have quite, okay, let me just see if I can get, all right, good. So right here, you can see there's 4.220 TRX. So all I just do is enter the amount here, 4.20 TRX, and then of course my wallet address for the Tron TRX, and then my password for withdrawal. Having entered all this, all I will just do is, you can see the pink button there with the word confirm. That's what I do. I just click on confirm. As soon as I click on confirm, my coin will be sent directly to my wallet Tron TRX address. So I'm going to do that right now, as you see. And so you can see, boom, right away I have submitted successfully. And you can see it has turned to 0. I no longer have TRX left, to withdraw for today. So for today, I'm done. Tomorrow, same time, I'm also going to be doing the withdrawal. I've been doing this now for over, say, 2 months. And it takes sometimes about 5 to 10 minutes or more for it to reflect in my Trust wallet. I just want to show you the reflection of it in my Trust wallet. Right here, you can see we have okay, it hasn't yet come. So we're just going to give it a while we try to refresh, and you will see it. All right. After some moments, I will come back again to show you the reflection of that payment as it hits my Trust wallet, so that you would also be able to follow through with the detail I'm going to be showing you in this video. Please, if you are watching this video for the first time and you have not yet subscribed, I encourage you to go ahead and click on the subscription button, and then don't forget to like the video and give us a good comment, please. In the next few minutes, I'm going to be showing you detail on how you too can go ahead and start earning your free Tron TRX on a daily basis, you making your withdrawals. All right. Okay, guys, welcome back again to the video. Like I said, my coin has been credited, and right here you can see this is the detail. No, this is the detail of the transfer that was credited to withdrawal that was credited to my account. You can see the date today and the time, at which it was done, 4.2 TRX. So I get this on a daily basis. So I want to encourage you. The link will be there in the description below, so that you can just go ahead and click to register. And I'm going to show you, don't skip the video, because if you do, you will miss some relevant important parts as to how and what you need to do to go about earning your own free Tron TRX. So without much ado, I'm going to go straight into the detail of the video right now. So right here, the name of the site is called trxworld.cc. The name of the site is called trxworld.cc. So you just go ahead. The link is there in the description below. Click on it, and you can do your registration right away. Now you can see this is the home page of the site, and what you're expected to do is allow. This is my already login page. I could just come in here and say. I could just come in here and try to log out, so that you're going to have something like this. And what you're expected to do is to enter. You will come to where it says sign up right here. So right here, you are expected to click on this button here that says, you're expected to click on this button right here that says sign up. And then the moment it is done, what you are expected to do is you will see this page. You enter your email address. You enter your login password. You enter your security password. Now take note, the security password and the login password are different. Now let me explain that quickly. As for the login password, is the one that you use to log in whenever you want to, log in into the page. But for your security password, is the one that you use to for your withdrawal, and it's very important. So you put a more sophisticated security password there for your withdrawal password, so that it will not be hacked. All right. So having said that, once you're done with those details, of course, this number you see there is my referral code. So you just leave that and you go ahead and click on sign up. So the moment you do, it will definitely log you into your own fresh page. So like I said, if I log into my own account, it brings me right here, and you have this. So you can see there's already an information giving you here, telling you that as soon as you log in, there's going to be some free TRX that will be given to you, of nothing less than 7,000 and above. So what you just need to do is that you will need to activate your account. Now, the activation is very, very important, because if you do that, it's going to help you. The activation has to do with the amount of TRX you will want. Like in my own case, what I did was I activated, the minimum required for you to activate is about 20 TRX. But me, I did 100 TRX. So you could do even 500 TRX, you could do 200, you could do 50, you could do the minimum, which is 20. But take note, the more of the TRX you put in, the better your chance of earning more. So having said that, what you are supposed to do is that you want to fund or recharge. You just click on this. You click on this here that says deposit. So as soon as you do that, you'll be taken to this page, and you just copy this address. You copy this address. You just click this button here to copy this address, and once you copy it, you go to your Binance wallet or your Trust wallet, whichever you're using, and make sure you use your Tron TRX or TRC20, preferably Tron TRX, to be able to make your purchase. So you You just use that to recharge, using this address giving you. Once that is done, you come back here and click this button here that says recharge complete. So once that is done, you would have successfully recharged your account. And right here, you will see the balance of your recharge together with your bonus. Now you can see mine is up to about 442,790 because for the past 2 months I have been mining, so it keeps increasing. So the expectation is that this is going to be for 1 year. So I'm going to keep withdrawing for up to 1 year. So that's going to be yours. It's going to be the bonus giving you together with the amount you use in recharge. Maybe if it is 50 or 100. So then a percentage of that, will be paid to you on a daily basis. So right away, how do you get paid? Now, how you get paid is you come to this button here that says withdraw. You click on it. As soon as you click on it, it brings you here. So based on the amount of TRX you use to recharge, you will see the percentage of what you will be earning here. Like in my own case now, this is what I earn on a daily basis, the 4.2 TRX. So you will see it, and it will also be telling you that you would have 4.2 TRX to be withdrawn today. And if you withdraw it, like in my own case, I withdrawn the one for today, like you saw earlier on. And then, of course, it's from your basic account. We have two types of account, your basic account and your promotional account. Now, your basic account is the one you were able to recharge, and then you get paid on a daily basis. While your promotional account is the one that you make referrals. For instance, now like you, if you register, whatever proceeds of your registration, a percentage of it goes to my promotion account. The same thing too. You want to earn more. It's expected that the moment you start enjoying the benefits of this particular platform, you are expected to also refer others. So once you do, you will get the benefits in your promotion account. So that's what this is all about. So you just go ahead and enter your withdrawal password like I told you earlier, and then click on confirm. So once you do that, you're going to be able to withdraw your TRX. But before doing that, you will need to connect your wallet, which is your receiving wallet. Like this is mine. So yours, in order for you to be able to do it, you will go to where it says right here, where it says mine. You click on mine, and then you scroll up a bit, okay, and you come to where it says withdrawal. Yes, okay. On withdrawal, you look out for where you are expected to link up your you're expected to link up. Just a minute, I'm trying to get the this is the customer Telegram page. That's not where I was actually going, Okay, so having clicked on withdrawal, what you're expected to do is that you will paste your wallet address that you will be receiving your Tron TRX here, either if it is your Trust Wallet or Binance, just put it here, and then you go ahead and click on confirm. So that is how you can withdraw your free Tron TRX on a daily basis, I tell you. So please, if this video has given you value and you want to know more about cryptocurrencies and how you could get good airdrops, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so that once we post in a new video, you will be the first to know. All right. Make sure you go ahead and start implementing this process immediately, and I will see you again in another video. Thank you.